Hello everyone and ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Auto Syndicate. Been quite some time. I haven't posted any vlogs, but here I'm back with another vlog. Sorry for the delay. And this time, hey, nonsense fellow, disturbing me while I'm vlogging. Okay, but this time the vlog is going to be very special because I am in Kerala N1 Concepts. This is the second time I'm coming here. First time was for Night Fury. Night Fury got bagged here, and this time there's another new car. There is another update in Wolf 9444. But wait for the update. You got to watch the video till the end. And I'm here. Obviously, once you're in N1 Concept, you get to see some crazy cars. Let me show you around and enjoy this video. I said N1 Concepts here and some nice cars out here. Check out this Baleno. A little dusty, but no problem. But this Baleno, wow! I spotted something. Let's check this out. That's some crazy headlamps. Oh, sweet. Looks neat, isn't it? Truck for N1 Concepts. Isuzu. Oh, check this out. The Audi Orit. This was recently revealed in N1 Concepts. Looks mad. A little dusty. Ignore the dust, but looks mad. And of course, this Baleno. Oh, they put something extra here, like an eyelid. Yen Vishwa? Live nalli ishta aita? Hey, eno bekkna oristhidya? Papa bekku odayitu Vishwana nodi. Okay guys, this is my friend Vishwa. You can see he's met with a small minor accident, a very minor accident. Minor is it, bro? Scrapped. His end-torque was scrapped, but luckily he's escaped. Thank God. Ashik, what happened? Why are you looking tense? This is my friend Ashik, based out of Kerala. Say hi, bro.
Hi, bro.
Those who don't know him, he is the owner of Q-Light Customs. Q-Light Customs. They make some insane headlamps and rear lamps. Trust me. So basically, Wolf has invited a lot of people to come for the reveal. Here there's a few cars that have arrived, and obviously N1 Concepts, attractive as always. Whoa, guys, if you haven't guessed this car yet, this is Black Phoenix. Yes, you would have seen it in my videos. We got this car tuned, a stage 2 tuned by Wolf Performance. This is the same car, presently bagged. Looks neat, isn't it? Nice. It's coming back with us to Bangalore. Revealing will take place sometime later on with more mods. Time to get into N1 Concepts. Let's enter. As always, some amazing mags. Unique collections.
Buddy,
Hey, what's up, Night Fury?
your Auto
Hey,
Syndicate
Karthik,
now.
what happened,
Your
Karthik?
Auto Syndicate now. Pay for wheel.
You want wheels? Hey,
For
ಈಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
my
ಬ್ರೋ,
S-Cross.
ನೀವೇ ಈಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
For my S-Cross.
Hey, ನಿಮ್ಮ S-Cross-ಆ? Oh,
I need S-Cross.
see, my boy. My S-Cross is his S-Cross.
Not yours, mine.
Yeah, yours. Hi, bro.
Hi.
This is co-partner of Ashik, Q-Light Customs.
Q-Light.
Yes. Oh, here is Wolf 9444. Buddy, are you all excited?
Buddy, after you.
Waiting for it. Another few minutes and we will reveal Wolf 9444.
1, 2, 3. Bro.
Look, here is the drop. Here is the drop. Time to rep this. Just check this out. Because of the wolf's blast, the seal is broken. Literally, this false ceiling, whatever design they made here, is broken because of the wolf's bangs. Crazy, isn't it? Okay, however, I have the remote with me. I'll show you. This is full up. A means up. This is the front lift. Let's move to B. B is back. Okay. Now I'll show you the drop. Let me show you the C. Check this out. The front drops. Okay. Full drop. This is a full drop, and then see this back. It's slow because the compressor needs to load. It's loading, but check this out. This is it's a crazy drop. For a Baleno, it's really difficult to get this kind of a drop, but Wolf has got it. Amazing. Let's lift it. Let's lift it in the back. So guys, you all saw the drop. What do you all think of the drop? Wolf is parked inside, waiting to get it out. Nice ideas, N1 concepts, as the name says. You've got some great concepts, to get the car in, get the car out. Nice. Nice. Basically a diesel Lancer. Check this out. This Baleno is going to get new mags, either this or this. Which do you think is nice on this? I guess that one is better. See how low the car looks. This is without any kind of actual skirtings. Okay, this is a RS bumper, and you can see in the sides there's no skirting. This is the stock Baleno look. Now this car is going to get more upgrades, obviously. A front lip, like a rubber lip, and on top of that, in the sides, the skirting is yet to be done. So once the skirting is done and the front lip is done, I think the car will look grounded and it look really neat and crazy. Will get a lot of love when in Church Street or in any auto shows, obviously. But just look at it. What do you all think? Let me know in the comment. Samurai performance here. Guys, this Civic, you would have seen it in a Insta reel where there is a Supra on one side blasting, and then you have this Civic on the other side blasting and pulling the crowd. It's the same Civic here. They've come all the way to meet us, Wolf, show some love. I would really like to appreciate them and thank them. They need to come so slowly. Slammed, grounded, look at it. Finally done with N1 concepts. We are exiting now. Let's go. I want to listen to this Civic bang. So, not the right place. We're going to wake up the neighborhood. So let's take the car out for a spin, rev it somewhere, and then head back to Bangalore, okay? I am in my S-Cross, obviously. That's Black Phoenix there, the Civic here, Wolf there. Let's go, have some fun. No ride problems, but yes, got it up successfully. Look at it, Wolf. Holy shit, this is madness. You gotta listen to the Civic, it's insane, man, freaking insane. Black Phoenix. for a photo shoot with the 3 packed cars. And of course, all the 3 have some insane exhaust, insane pops and bangs. The red one is bonkers, along with the Wolf, another single pop master, Black Phoenix. It's got a new update, a different type of a tune, throws flame insanely. Finally, time to exit. We are leaving Kochi, heading back towards Bengaluru. On the way, we have decided to stop at Kolli Hills. It's in Tamil Nadu, very close to Salem. It's got a really nice bends actually. We just wanted to take Wolf and Black Phoenix there, make some videos, and go back home. Guys, it's around 11:21 p.m. We're just fueling up, heading towards Kolli Hills in Tamil Nadu. Yo. It's a crazy hill. It's got some insane ghat section. It's very famous. Not many have explored it. And of course, we're going in modified cars. It should be more interesting. See this, 2 packed cars on Kerala streets. Feels nice. Let's fuel up. Stay tuned. You're going to enjoy watching those curves. Whoa. Madness. Around 2 a.m. in the night, we've crossed Kerala border. That was the border there, and we have stopped for a tea break, waiting to reach Kolli Hills. .33 a.m. in the morning. Tamil Nadu looking very good. Very good morning to you all. That's Kolli Hills, and we are just a few minutes away. Let's get there and get into the cart section. Hey, Kolli Hills. I think our boys are going to have some nice fun in the ghats. But I am all excited. Let's see if Kolli truly stands up to what they say it is. 14 degrees is the temperature, but the hills looks mad. There's a glaze of sunlight. Let me show you, just a moment, hang on. This out. Morning everywhere. Hairpin bend. But this hills has got a lot of hairpin bends, and they say it's really insane. See, this is what the route to Kolli looks like. Mad ride. Guys, finally hairpin bend 70 final. This is the last one. It was an amazing experience, amazing drive. I would recommend you all to come to this place if you want some amazing driving experience. Tough hairpin bends, really curvy, real sudden, but you're gonna enjoy it. So we are heading towards the waterfalls based in Kolli Hills. It's really nice. Let me reach there and show you. Just look at this scenery. Yes, bro. Somebody's calling me. Fan following. But insane scenery. Literally amazing. You guys gotta come and check out this place. Guys, 1200 steps down just to see this beautiful waterfalls. Looks amazing, isn't it? Now the real task is gonna be when we are gonna climb back on. But now let's go play and then vlog. So guys, that was some insane fun. Halfway up, another halfway left. Freaking tired, especially after playing in the water. But I gotta get up there. Requires immense stamina. Ooh. This is steep. It's like literally 45 and above. More than that probably. 60, 70 degrees. The waterfalls, heading to another destination now here. Yet another stop, another waterfalls in Kolli Hills, but I don't know the name. Don't ask me the names. I'm just following the boys. They're taking me to all these places. There's such beautiful sceneries. Just enjoying it. Here we are back to the ghats of Kolli Hills. Time to let them go ahead. Single pop. Just a few hours away from Bengaluru. Another small break before we head to Bangalore. Cheers. Finally, we have touched Bommasandra, Electronic City, and here's Wolf. And Black Phoenix is left. He took a ride towards Chennai because he had to go meet a friend there. And I'm heading back home. I hope you've liked this vlog. I've tried something different for you all. See you all in the next video. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.